Hello and welcome to another English grammar video. Today's lesson is focused on modal verbs should, could, and would. Let us examine when to use them correctly. Then, we will use them to fill up these gaps to complete the sentences. Should is used when you want to offer advice. Advice. You can also use should when you want to give recommendation. Recommendation. Okay? Use could when the sentence has to do with something being possible, that is, possibility. Also, for ability in the past, we use could. Ability. Remember, can is used for ability in the present, but could is ability in the past. Also use could to make polite request. Okay? Polite request. Okay. So could is used for possibility, ability, and polite request. Use would for polite offer. Okay? Polite offer. Also use would for conditional action. That is when you are talking about condition. Now let's answer these questions. You look tired. You blank, take a rest. In this sentence, advice is being offered. Since you look tired, the advice is that you should take a rest. So this is advice. And for advice, we use should. You should take a rest. 2. When I was younger, I blank run very fast. This has to do with ability in the past. Ability. Talking about the ability to run very fast when the speaker was younger. So ability in the past, we use could. When I was younger, I could run very fast. 3. Students blank always obey instructions. This is in form of recommendation or advice. So this is recommendation. The speaker advises that students should always obey instructions. So should is the correct modal verb. 4. Sorry, there's an omission here. You was omitted. So what do we have here? We have a polite offer. A polite offer for some tea. So for offers, we use would. Would you like some tea? 5. Blank, you please buy me some fruits. This one has to do with polite request. Okay? For polite request, we use could. Could you please buy me some fruits? 6. He blank never drives so fast again. Number 6 is a form of recommendation or advice. Let's say someone who drove very fast ran into trouble. Then you advise he should never drive so fast again. So this is advice. The modal verb is should. 7. I blank bought a house if the money was enough. This is in form of condition. This part of the sentence is a condition for something to happen here. So this is condition. And for conditional action, we use would. Sorry, there's another omission here. Have should be here. I would have bought a house if the money was enough. 8. Children blank eat good food to stay healthy. In this sentence, there is a recommendation. Okay? Recommendation here. For recommendations, we use should. The speaker's recommendation is that children should eat good food to stay healthy. 9. I blank not open the box yesterday. This has to do with ability to open the box. So for ability, in the past, we use could. I could not open the box yesterday. 10. She blank travel if she had a car. This part of the sentence is a condition for something to happen here. Okay, so this is a conditional action. For condition, we use would. She would travel if she had a car. 11. This blank be the file we've been looking for. What do you think about this? Should, could, or would? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.